Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the creepiest, most accurate cosplay for the clicker from The Last of Us in DTI. So this look will be perfect for horror, infections, or apocalypse themes. Now let's just get started to make this look. So first, I'm using this masculine hair and color it the same like the skin tone. For the makeup, this is optional because it will be covered later by the flower. Now I'm going to just put on this top from the men's section, this one. So to glaze into dirty, and I'm going to change the color right here. This one, but make it a little bit lighter like this. And for the dirt, I'm going to use this dark brown color. Then put on this stockings in here, make it the same color like the skin tone that you choose. And you can just go in here. Now put on this pants right here, and I'm going to change the color to a little bit darker like this. Now put on this belt and make it the same color like the pants. Go to the dressing room, and now you can put on this tops right here. So use only the lace. And for the first preview, you can just use the same color like the t-shirt, or make it the same color like the dirt, like this. And then you can go to the petal updates items, use this flower. It will be used as the mushroom. You can just use the color between red, orange, and also a little bit green. So just combine the colors. Like this. And also this right here. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can also put on this eye patch from the code items. The first preview, you can use the same color like your skin tone, and the next one just combine between the orange, brown, and also red. Like this. So once you're done with this, you can go out and find the flower here from the summer items, this flowers right here, and use the adjustment feature. So here is my adjustment for the flower. Position X48, Y54, and Z72. And rotate in here X47, Y58, and Z46, and adjust the scale to 81. So this is the look of the clicker from The Last of Us in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.